We need to call in the others.
We don't have time.
Cara, John, Sarah, we all designed this plan together after Faust.
And we all made the same promise. If anyone ever lost control, a designated teammate would step in. For me, that's you.
And I don't carry that weight lightly. What if this is all temporary? What if your mind starts healing?
It's not gonna heal. It's only gonna get worse.
So how can you say that for sure?
I forgot Joe died. The man who raised me. He passed away 6 months ago, and I can't remember it at all. Look, I know you have questions, but I'm losing myself. You took an oath. If I ever said the word injustice, you'd listen. Please, we have to do this now.
My father had a saying, one that I even teach my students today. Where's the future? Right here. Whose life is this? Mine.